Coach Torin, and today you'll need a comfortable pair of shoes to work out in. We're going to do the side shuffle today. This works the muscles of the legs as well as your aerobic strength, so your heart. Let's get started. For today's workout, we're going to do 3 rounds of 16 side shuffles. So we're going to do 4 this way, 4 back, that's 8, another 4 this way, and then 4 back to our starting point. After those 16 reps, you'll have 30 seconds break, and then you'll do it again 2 more times for 3 total rounds. Let's get started. All right, let's go. Remember, bend your knees, sit down a little bit, put your hands on your hips for stability. All right, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Today, we did the side shuffle. We did 16 repetitions, 4 each way, with a 30 seconds rest in between each round. So this week's stretch is actually called the hip flexor stretch. So what we're going to do is step 1 foot forward, keeping 1 knee on the ground. And the hip flexor is this muscle right here in the front of your hip. And you're going to lean forward just a little bit, but making sure that your knee does not track over your toes, which means your knee is not farther forward than your toes are. And you can put your hands on your hips for stability. And you're just going to hold this for usually like 30 seconds is a solid amount of time to really stretch out a muscle. And then you're going to switch to the next side and do the same thing and hold it for about 30 seconds. Great job today. Come back next week ready to soar with plane.